folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today we're doing a cast iron breakfast, all in one pan. It's delicious. If you got a gang coming over, it's perfect for that. It's low carb friendly too. You're gonna love it. Let's get to it. We'll start off by preheating our oven to 375 degrees. We have 10 large eggs, and we'll mix those up well with a fork and season them with a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now here's some flavor. 1 cup of chunky medium salsa. Mix this all thoroughly and we'll set this aside. Cast iron pans like to be warmed up before using them, so we'll pop that into our oven for about 10 minutes just to preheat it. I'm using a 10-inch cast iron pan. Here it is, all warmed up out of the oven. And I'm going to start out by giving it just a little bit of cooking spray. You'll need about a pound of thin sliced deli ham. And this is how we're going to create a crust. Just simply lay the ham all the way around the entire cast iron pan. And take note, it overhangs the top by about 1 inch. We'll completely cover the bottom as well. This will give it some great flavor. On top of the ham, we're going to place 1 cup of shredded medium cheddar cheese. And then we'll pour the egg mixture on top of that. And on top of the egg mixture, we'll place spinach leaves. Once that's covered, fold the ham inwards. Then we'll get that into the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. This recipe you can have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, hot or cold. You can cut them up, put them in the fridge, excellent to take to work or school the next day. And when they're cold, you can eat it like a slice of pizza. Here it is out of the oven after 30 minutes. I'm going to place another cup of shredded medium cheddar cheese on top and then back into the oven on a high broil for 5 to 10 minutes. And then voila, here it comes, all nice and bubbly and hot, fresh out of the oven. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Let it rest for 10 minutes before we slice into it, and we can garnish the top of it with a little bit of parsley. After the 10 minutes resting time, loosen up the sides with a metal flipper and watch it just slide out. And there's your beautiful cast iron breakfast. Using a knife or a pizza cutter, just slice it up into individual portions. This is one of those recipes that's very versatile. It's easy to make it your own. Maybe you'd like to switch up the seasonings, a curry, or maybe different vegetables or meat. Whichever way you do it, it's gonna be delicious. I just love cooking with cast iron. If you're looking for more tips, check out my episode 138 on In the Kitchen with Pete. Cast iron pan pizza. Lots of tips on there about maintaining a good cast iron pan. Well, now I'm going to try the goods. Oh, that's beautiful. I love how the ham keeps everything together like a nice little crust. The salsa and all the flavors in there are just wonderful. You're going to love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
just keep life simple.